Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to talk about tabs. Let's go to the code. Now I need to create a notebook. Now we need to create a couple of frames. Each frame is a tab here. Now I add the frames to the notebook. This is the text that we see on the tab. Now let's have a look. I have a notebook here which includes our tabs. Each frame is a tab. We have 3 tabs here and we add these tabs to the notebook. So let's have a look. This is our notebook, this one, and we have 3 frames, which are 3 tabs here. So if you look at here, the first one, frame 1, the text is 1, which is here. The next one is 2, which is this one. And the third one is 3, which is this one. So let's add a button into the first one. I create a button, and as a parent, I use the frame 1. So the button will go into the frame 1. Get here. We have 3 tabs. Click me, this button is inside tab 1. Tab 2 and tab 3, they don't have anything inside, but tab 1 has click me. Why is it like this? If you come here, you can see that this button, click me button, is a child of frame 1, and frame 1 is our tab 1. Now, when I run the application, the first one is always selected. We can select the second one or the third one programmatically. This is the index of the first one is 0, index of this one is 1, this is 2. So I can say notebook dot select, for example, 1. 1 means the second tab because it starts from 0. So if I run the application now, it selects the second tab. Get here, It is this one is selected. Now let's disable the third tab. A tab. The third one, which is 012. This is the third one. We want to change the state to disabled. Look at here. This is disabled. The third one is disabled. Now another state. Hidden. Let's see what happens. So it hides the third one. And another one, normal. Comes back as normal. This 1 and 2 and 3, these are the labels of our tab. We can get these labels and print them. For example, I can come and say print notebook tab 1. When I say 1, because it starts from 0, means I'm talking about the second tab. What do we want from the second tab? I want the text of the tab. So I'm saying that from the notebook, from the tab, the second one, I want the text. Now let's look. Look at here, this is 2. The text is 2, and here we see 2 here down here. That's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to work with text. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching and see you later.